Hi everyone, I'm Eliza Jane Castro from Bethel Ed IE1 student. Before we proceed to our video editing and freehand drawing, first open the SketchUp apps on your computer, then click the New Start, and after that, go to the upper side and find freehand. And after that, you can start to draw a fish without color using freehand drawing. Freehand with color and freehand with color, same procedure before, but the differences is you can choose any color to your freehand output, and after you finish your output using freehand, you can start to choose any color and change color to your freehand fish drawing. 2D drawing and the 2D drawing procedures. First, open the SketchUp apps on your computer, then click the New Start and select Symbol Templates Meter. Then select the 2D arc tool from the toolbar, then use it to draw a fish to your 2D output. 3D drawing. In the 3D drawing procedures, you need to find the circle tool or rectangle tool in the toolbar to draw the basic fish body shape, and then select the fusion tool to give the body thickness, then draw a 3D shape, then use the orbit tool to rotate the fish.